Hey folks, Adam here, Elite Demonstrations, and you just caught me doing a little vacuuming with this fantastic high power, multiple speed. It's a vacuum cleaner, and if you haven't switched to a cordless vacuum cleaner, guess what? You're way overdue. So let's go ahead and show you some of the cool aspects to this fantastic product, and we're gonna kick it off with a video right about an OW. So what do I love about this? I'm gonna start off at the very tip right here. It's these big LED lights that are on the front. Now, if you have not had LED lights on the front of your vacuum cleaner, you're clearly missing out. And that's because they do illuminate the dirt and debris, and you don't realize how much dirt and debris is on the floor until you put the light on it, and that's going to do a world of good. Then you've got this very fine brush that's gonna be perfect for dirt, debris, sand, anything like that. This is a great roller head right here. Then the design is just smart. It's got this velvety material right here to pick up things like dog hair or anything accordingly. It's even got it across the front to get those edges really tight. Now, the swivel head is fantastic, left, right, and up and down. Not all of them are gonna do the left, right. And when you look at the design on these wheels, these plastic wheels are going to be low noise when you're rolling them across the floor, because we all know how loud you can get with some of the big wheels. See how quiet that is? Very nice. Now, when you go up the system, now this is completely, the head is detachable, and you can swap it out with any of the smaller heads you want, and you can swap it at this portion at the base as well. And then you've got an adjustment for height, in case you're a smaller individual, or like me, a taller individual, and this will also allow you to get those spots on the ceiling. Do you need to get all the cobwebs off your fan? Well, this device is gonna be great for you. Just switch out the head, and you're gonna be able to get those cobwebs, which we'll show you in an overlay here in a moment. So, we're gonna keep moving up and down. Next up, this does detach right here to where you can snap on a variety of all the heads, which are included, and you can use this for like cleaning your car, cleaning out cushions, things of the sort, and it just clips into place. Also, when you pack it up and you put it in your closet for storage, why not put it at the shortest setting to save yourself some space, isn't that right? So what else do I have to tell you about it? Now, it has a great filter. These guys have done a great job keeping your air clean when you're vacuuming. You don't have to worry about dust and debris in your air. And I have to say, this does a great job with a variety of power. This thing gets really powerful. Has the filter, and look at this, just from a few seconds. Look at all that dog hair. Look at all that dog hair. I didn't know we had that many dogs in here, but whoo, we do. Now, it does have a removable and rechargeable lithium battery that is ultra powerful. I'm talking 25 mAh and a 64.75 kWh, kilowatt hour. Really fantastic stuff too. So the filter, fantastic, easy to clean out, durable, stylish, sophisticated, and I think it's pretty chic, right? It's got that filter right there to make sure your air quality is second to none. So folks, don't take my word for it, although you should take my word for it. Don't take my word for it. Get one for yourself so you can test it out. This is a stylish, sophisticated, chic, and powerful machine from a great company. And that's the other thing that I really want to stress to you. Don't settle for a knockoff company. Get one of these premier brand companies, an elite company from Elite Demonstrations, showing you the best of the best. Also, super lightweight. Super lightweight. Don't you dare miss it. I'm Adam from Elite Demonstrations. Stick around for our up-close portion of the video where we're going to show you even more. Now I'm going to get back to vacuuming. All right, folks. Now it's time for our up-close portion of the video. A lot of people who are real serious about getting this want to see everything, including the UNBOX. So we're going to show you all of that. The LED screen displays screen design. The 10 to 23,000 kPa with powerful suction. 15 to 50 minutes of running time, 6-stage filtration, 2,500 mAh detachable battery, and the powerful brushless motor. Yeah, powerful brushless motor. Now, charging time in only 4 to 5 hours. It's 25.9 lithium ion battery with a 2,500 mAh. It's a powerful battery. It's rechargeable, 3-speed, and lightweight. So this is a great brand. I've heard so many good things about this brand and seen a lot. This is before use. Go ahead and set it up. Here's the operation, speed control and the swish, and the maintenance for cleaning it out. All seem like important aspects. All very important aspects. So let's go ahead and check it out now. Looks like we've got the tube for extending. Boom, boom. Go ahead and set that to the side. Shake the room. Got a mighty powerful battery, lithium ion. 64.75 watt hours. 2500 mAh. That's a nice battery. And then, of course, we have a series of cool heads for cleaning. I'm gonna have to guess on this one, but I think it's a docking station. We'll check that out here in a moment. And looks like kind of your lint style brush vacuum top. That's gonna be great for couches and anything that gets pet dander. A cleaning brush for cleaning it out, and of course your instructions, user manual, things of the sort, installation information for the S11. And yeah, they really stand behind their products. Yeah, that's great to see. Charging cable, everything you need, all available in the BOX. And I'm very excited to get started with this. Now you can see, I'm gonna pull this out for you here in a second so you can take a look. A nice head, big bin for dirt, plugs away, not too heavy, that's nice. Power on and off, up, down, etc. And here is your floor head, along with the additional brushes, power supplies, and everything you need inside. So folks, if you're looking for something pretty cool, cooler than the other side of the cucumber, that's not a saying, cooler than the other side of the pillow, well, guess what? I've got the product that you're gonna love. This thing is the bee's knees and the cat's pajamas. All right, folks, go ahead and check it out. You will not be disappointed. I'm Adam from Elite Demonstrations, where we show you the best of the best. There's the best of the best, so you can forget the rest. I appreciate you. If your question is, should you pick it up? The answer is, well, heck yes. Goodbye, my friends.